Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. How to do this kind of awesome video for your Facebook stories as well as Instagram as well as YouTube shorts. We'll do step by step. Okay, let's move into the tutorial. Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I'm going to teach how to make the AI videos for free. So we are using the Facebook Meta AI. Facebook Meta AI, which we provide the completely free videos. Okay, so you can use this video for the YouTube shorts and Facebook stories. So you can use this kind of a videos. Okay, so you go to the metaai.com, or this is the Meta AI which provide us. So here you will be able to create the prompt. So here this is a prompt I'm going to create an image at the cat and kitten sailing on the boat in the moonlight. The waves are strong. So copy this prompt first. Don't, rather than your copy and put here, we have to go to the ChatGPT. I have tell them act as a world best prompt generator. Act as a world best prompt generator for this text. Okay, you just click on it. Okay, so it's give the enhance the image prompt, the highly polished and professional grade. Here you can write the simple prompt. This prompt under the AI will be understand very quickly. So you have to copy this and paste on it here. Okay, so you have paste on it here. So you have tried this create. You can click on create. So you have task to login. Okay, you have to log in the Facebook account. Facebook. Okay, the Meta will be brought by Facebook. So we have to log in first. So I'm going to log in this one. Here's the prompt. Act as a world first prompt creator. Here's the prompt. Okay, so here you can write that. You have to write here. Right click on it. Okay, so if you click on it, you can see that your image is generating. Okay, this is how the image is generating. You have to wait until the here. This is the generated image here. Beautiful image has been generated. Okay, that the image has been generated beautifully. So click on it, one of them. Okay, so here you can see that restyle. This is meaning of you can see your image. You can see the images. You can see there are formats, the watercolor. This is a 3D. If you want to generate the 3D one, this image, if you want to change it as a 3D mode, you will be able to 3D. Okay, there are the options. Free options are there. So there you will be able to change it as a 3D look. Okay, this is a 3D look. It has been changed. Okay, so here you can see it. Okay, it has been changed it as this now here it's a 3D. Here it's a 3D one. This is also it's a 3D one. Now if you want, now I need this one as an animate. You can click on the animate video. So you have to click it, this animate video. You can click it, click animate. Okay, so that video is generating. You have to wait until the process completed. Okay, this processing, still it's processing. After this process completed, you will be able to watch. Click on it and you can watch it. here something funny. Okay, this is something funny. So you can see this. If you are not satisfied, you can go another one. If you are not satisfied the 3D one, you can go having a new one, normal one. This is a normal one. Okay, so there are here. This is a normal one. Here, this one also you can put animate. It's completely free. You can generate unlimited one. The Facebook give us the uh, uh, unlimited image generation as well as a animation video as well, but it is a 1 second or 2 second video will be able to generate. I think 2 or 3 second video in between. So you can this kind of a video, so you can put it your Instagrams stories and Facebook stories and Facebook. uh, you can generate the three images here. 5 second here, so 5 second it's working. Okay, it's nice look. But the thing is, there is no sound. This video after generated, you can download them. Here is a download is there. You'll be able to download that one. Okay, you download it. Okay, after generated. After that, you can not only this. Okay, you have to generate two more videos and merge them, and you have to upload it on your Facebook as well as a YouTube shorts. Okay, this kind of videos that you can recently. You are going to the if you are frequently going to the Instagram or Facebook, you will be able to see this kind of a videos. These all the videos are made by this kind of a AI. So these are completely free, not they are not providing any cost for it. If you add that music, okay, music also you will be able to add it. Okay, music, there is a music, there's a meta. The Facebook give us the free music as well. Here also you can get one of the music library. You can finding from the library panel. You can get that. Okay, here it's trending. You can get one music. Okay, so here this is music. You can add the music also. Here the music also you can add it. The music also generated. So you have to wait. Okay, so that now that we are generated, the music also generated. Okay, so there are a lot of things. Okay, so extend again. You can extend the animations. Okay, there are various things here we will be doing. Okay, now you can have that restyling. You can all the style you can you can test it. Okay, there are a lot of restyling options are there. Restyling animation options are there. You can just click on it and check on it your video. Okay, so this is this. If you are not satisfied, you will be able to change it. Okay, so that I am going to click on it. This one. Let's play this one. Okay, this we are play it. Something different. Okay, so that space will be there here. This sample something different. Okay, this kind of a video if you uploaded, someone watching here, it's very nice. This video here, this space is very awesome. Okay, so that you will be able to generate the music as well. Okay, thank you for watching.